Have you ever wondered where you can find a good Russian lawyer? One that can help you with your Russian contracts and understand things from your side. One that can work fast, efficiently, and not charge you a small fortune. Well, you could try a big multinational law firm, or maybe you could hunt for lawyers in Russia for yourself. But that's probably going to cost you a large fortune. What if there was somebody local with plenty of unique experience who's ready to help? Sergey Naumkin is the perfect choice. Not only is he an experienced Russian business lawyer, he's also your trusted specialist in the UK, a professional who understands your individual needs and is able to meet the standards of care and communication like you require. Sergey Naumkin's goal is not here to satisfy his interests, but rather to win your trust and become your long-term advisor. He knows he must focus on your interests and do a great job every single time, so you'll never be disappointed. With Sergey Naumkin, you get an easy, accessible lawyer who's always ready to help, a professional who faces no barriers when it comes to dealing with your Russian contacts. So, whether you're based in London or Liverpool, contacting him directly and getting your questions across is simple. Just pick up the phone or send him a message. If you want to win new business in Russia, expand your company and achieve success, get in touch with Sergey Naumkin. You'll have peace of mind and he'll get the job done.